How to track your lost or stolen iPhone from any other phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can track your stolen or lost iPhone from any other iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the process is actually really simple. First thing that you'll need to do is you will need to know the Apple ID of the device that has been lost. So after you have that, you can simply log that account in to any other iPhone or any other iOS devices. You can also simply go to find my app on iCloud.com. After you're there, what you'll need to do is simply log in into your account. You can tap on the Me option on the bottom right. Then from there, you will be able to see the location of all the devices that is associated to your that very account. So there you'll find the devices section. You can tap on that and all the devices will be listed on your map right here. Then select your device. After you select the device, you can then track its location. You can play a sound to help locate it. And you can also put it in lost mode, which will lock your device. And that's basically it. And yeah, that's basically how you can track your lost or stolen iPhone from any other iPhone. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.